Hi, I'm Matthew Courtney. Welcome to Spreadsheet Fundamentals. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the standard deviation function. Before we look at the spreadsheet, let's take a moment to consider the syntax. There are two versions of the standard deviation function. The first finds the standard deviation of a population, and you'll use this function if your data represents the entire population you're studying. The second finds the standard deviation of a sample, and this function is used when your data represents a sample out of a larger data set. They both work the same way. Simply type an equal sign, followed by the function, and place the range of cells in parentheses. Let's take a look at how these functions work in a spreadsheet. Column A lists a series of test scores. This data represents all of my students, so I will use the function for a population. To find the standard deviation, I will click in cell E3 and type equal sign stdev.p, open parentheses, select column A, close parentheses, enter. The standard deviation is 14.29. In this video, I have shown you how to use the standard deviation function. For more information about how to use spreadsheet functions to interpret student data, please visit www.matthewbcourtney.com/repository.